So it's only been 48 hours since Meta released Llama 3.1, its largest open source AI model that users can fine-tune, distill, and deploy anywhere. It comes with three sizes, one with 8 billion parameters, 70 billion, and the colossal 405 billion parameters. Now, what's interesting about Llama 3.1 is, according to some benchmarks that Meta released, it beats some of the best closed source language models out there, like OpenAI's GPT-4o, Gemma 2 from Google, and Claude 3.5 Sonnet from Anthropic. Now, you can try Llama 3.1 by downloading the models from here and running them on your local PC if your hardware supports it. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 different ways you can try Llama 3.1 without downloading the models and running them locally on your machine. So let's get started. So first on the list is Grok. Grok is an AI infrastructure company that, from my experience, delivers some of the fastest AI inference speed out there. And to get started with Grok, just go to console.grok.com/playground and you will be redirected to this page. Now, in the models list dropdown, under the meta section, you can see that Llama 3.1 70 billion and the 8 billion parameter is listed here. The 405 billion parameter model is not yet supported in Grok, but at least you can try the other two. So for example, if you want to test out the 70 billion parameter with a prompt, what is generative AI, click on submit, and you can see how fast the inference speed is. It's lightning fast. You can also adjust the parameters on the right section here. Now, if you don't want to play around with the parameters, you can just go to grok.com and select the model on the upper right corner. The 70 billion and the 8 billion parameter models are also listed here. So let's see the 8 billion parameter, how it works. What is generative AI? And boom, it's lightning fast with 750 tokens per second. Let's see how the 70 billion parameters performs. What is generative AI? Okay, so it's a bit slower with 250 tokens per second, but it is still lightning fast. Okay, second on the list is Hugging Chat. Hugging Chat is created by Hugging Face, which is a popular platform where users can create, upload, and train AI models. So to get started with Hugging Chat, head over to huggingface.co/chat and you will be redirected to this dashboard. Now, in the current model settings, you can select the model that you want to test. So for example, if you want to test the Llama 3.1 405B or the Llama 3.1 70B. Now, at this moment, I'm not seeing the Llama 3.1 with 8 billion parameters. But anyway, let's test out the 405B model. Now, what's good about Hugging Face is that you can set the system prompt over here. This is not available in the Grok dashboard. So close this out and let's see how it performs. What is generative AI? So from my observation, Hugging Face is a bit slower than Grok. I mean, Hugging Chat is a bit slower than Grok. It's taking a few seconds to respond. But what's great about Hugging Face or Hugging Chat is that it supports some tools. For example, it supports image generation, web search, which can access the internet, URL fetcher, document parser, calculator, or image editing. Now, take note that Llama 3.1 does not support image generation. What I think is Hugging Face doing, or Hugging Chat is doing, is that it's trying to hook this image generation feature into Llama 3.1, because according to Meta, Llama 3.1 has this new feature that can integrate external tools. Okay, so third on the list is Fireworks AI. This is the platform where users can access different generative AI models via API. So to get started, let's click on Get Started button and log in with your Google account. And then on the Models tab, you can see front and center Meta Llama 3.1 405B is already supported on the platform. Click on Try Now, and we will be redirected to this console dashboard. Now, you can adjust different options on the right section, and you can also access the model via API on different platforms such as TypeScript, Python, Java, Go, or Shell. But let's try this out first with this prompt. What is generative AI? So it's quite fast, but not as fast as Grok, but a lot faster than Hugging Chat. So let's wait for it to finish and see how much tokens per second. You can see right here that it's operating at around 28 to 30 tokens per second. Okay, so there is also a completion section tab. So what's this? Try out our completions API with Llama 3.1 405B instruct. The purpose of completions is for the model to generate completion based on the start of a thought sentence. Okay, so you can use this tab for auto completion feature. So for example, let's see, AGI is coming, then it will try to complete the sentence and it will change the world, but we need to be careful and make sure that it is blah blah blah. Okay, this is great. Let's see if we can test the 70B instruct. Okay, as you can see here, the 70B is also available, and 8B, is it here? Let's see. Okay, you can also see Llama 3.1 8B here. Let's see how fast it is. What is generative AI? Oh, there's an error. There was an error generating response. Let's try again. Okay, now it works. So as you can see, 8B is way faster than the 405 billion parameter model. It's operating at 300 tokens per second. Okay, next up is this Workers AI LLM Playground, which is powered by Cloudflare, a popular cloud service provider. So to get started with LLM Playground, head over to this website, playground.ai.cloudflare.com, and you will see this dashboard. On the left section, you can see that there's a model dropdown where you can select which AI model you want to test. But I don't see the Llama 3.170 and the 405 billion parameter models. All I can see is the Llama 3.1 8 billion instruct model. So I think you should be aware of that. And the only parameter that you can adjust is the maximum output length token. So you can adjust this between 1 and 2048. And let's see, let's adjust this to maybe around 500. And let's test by asking the AI, what is generative AI? Click on run. Okay, so from this speed I could say that Grok is still way faster, but this is still faster than the Hacking Chat. Perhaps it's comparable to Fireworks AI. Okay, so I'm not sure how much token is available for free on a daily basis, but you can test this out for yourself. And if you want to know how to access this via API, you can head over to this documentation. Okay, so last but definitely not the least is Poe. Poe is a popular chatbot that rivals ChatGPT and Claude and also Gemini. And a quick trivia, this guy is the creator of Poe, and he's also the same guy who created Cora. And Adam is, by the way, friends with Sam Altman, who is the CEO of OpenAI. Now, to get started with Poe, go to this website, poe.com, and create a free account. On the dashboard, you will see Llama 3.1 405B. Click on that, and you can start chatting away. And by the way, Poe gives you 3,000 points for free on a daily basis, and each message you send is equivalent to 485 points. So that means you get around 6 messages for free daily. As you can see, I only have 5 remaining messages for today. So let's try this out with this prompt. What is generative AI? Okay, so based on this speed, it's quite fast, but again, it's not as fast as Grok. And if you want to test out the other models, let's see if we can find that. Llama 3.1. Okay, so the other models are also, actually these are the official bots that supports the 3 size models, 8B, 70B, and 405B. So let's try to use that one. Okay, awesome. Oh, I don't understand. All my generation credits were consumed, so I have 0 message left for today. Okay, so that's about it. I hope you find this video resourceful, and if you know any other websites or platforms that offers free access to Llama 3.1, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.